Ready to share your amazing Tableau Desktop creations with the world? First, ensure your Tableau Workbook is ready for its public debut. Then click on File in the top left corner of your Tableau Desktop. From the drop-down menu, select Save to Tableau Public. This is your gateway to sharing your interactive data stories. Now, you'll be prompted to log into your Tableau Public account. Enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, click the Create One Now for Free link. A dialog box will appear allowing you to name your workbook. Choose a descriptive title that accurately reflects the content of your visualization. Once you click Save, Tableau Desktop will begin publishing your workbook to Tableau Public. A progress bar will keep you updated on the upload status. Once the publishing process is complete, your default web browser will automatically open, displaying your published dashboard on Tableau Public. Take a moment to review your published dashboard. You can edit the details, add a description, and adjust settings directly on Tableau Public by using the Edit Details button. Finally, share your creation. Use the share options to grab the link, embed code, or post directly to social media. Now, your data story is ready to inspire and inform.